Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anna, and in today's video I'll be telling you the 5 questions you need to ask stakeholders when starting a UX design project. So the first thing is, who are stakeholders? Stakeholders is anyone or group of people that are representing the business you're designing for. So it could be the CEO, it could be the project manager, anyone that you're in direct contact with during the UX design project, which is usually the CEO for startups. You are just trying to design their first MVP. Okay, the second thing is, why do you need to ask stakeholders questions? The reason why you need to ask stakeholder questions is they are your first contacts with the business, and you want to know what exactly the business is doing, what type of user do they serve, to be able to design UX solutions that actually work for their users, that as well help the business achieve their goals and objective. So now let's go straight to the 5 questions you must ask stakeholders when starting a UX design project. The first one is, what are their business goals? Every business has a goal they are trying to achieve. The primary goal for every business is definitely making a profit, except it's an NGO, a non-profit organization. But most businesses, their primary goal is making profits. So you are either making money for them or saving money for them. But beyond making profits, every business has their goals and objective. They have their purpose of actually creating the business. You need to understand that. So you need to ask them what their business goals are, what are the business goals generally, and what is the business goal for that particular product you're working on. Yeah, because most companies actually have multiple projects. So you need to understand what is the business goal for the particular project you're working on. Second one is, walk me through your business process. So basically you're asking them, you're not just asking them to oh, what is this, what is that? You're basically telling them to walk you through their process. So this is usually for products that are not SaaS companies. If you are dealing with product that goes beyond the software, that has to do with people. So an example could be a logistic company, right? So they still have to receive package from a set of people and deliver it to their customers. So they have to interact with people. This is beyond the software. You can ask them, please walk me through the process. Usually we ask this question from the user as well, the customers. But at the beginning, we need to ask the stakeholders, because the process from the business perspective is usually different. So we need to ask the business, the stakeholders, please, can you walk me through? And this actually helps us to understand the process and being able to design solutions that can be implemented by the business. The third one is, who are your top 5 competitors and why do you think they are your competitors, right? So you need to understand who the competitors are, who are people in the businesses that are competing with this business, right? You need to understand, okay, why do you consider them as a competitor, right? And the second thing is, what advantage do they have? Yeah, to talk about what advantage do they have? This is still based on who are your top competitors. These are the insights you want to look for. So you need to understand who their competitors, the top competitors are, why do they consider them their top competitors, and what advantage does this competitor have over them. Yeah. So you should be able to get first hand information about that. And the fourth question should be, why would people choose your business over your competitor? So this is a follow-up from the previous question. Why would people choose your business over every other product out there, over every similar solutions out there? You want to understand the advantage of the business over every other business. So the reason for this is, understanding this help you to position your UX projects, communicate with the user in a way that speaks of the advantage that business actually have over others. Just know, why would people want to use the products? And finally, you want to understand what is the success metrics for this project. So this is actually a very important question. You need to understand, okay, what what would be an indication that this project is actually successful? What is the this actually helps you to like understand the expectation of the UX of the business actually on the UX design project. So this actually helps you to like beyond the UX process, it helps you to like manage their expectations, being able to like deliver on the task, being able to meet their expectations and being able to like provide solutions beyond their expectations. Most times, actually, you actually did a great job as a UX designer, and the business is not really happy, or or they're not just okay with it, even though the voice word is working. Sometimes it's because their expectation is different, right? So at the beginning, you need to understand, okay, this is what they are expecting, and understand the reason why like that's like their expectations and stuff. Just know what the expectation is. It's actually prepare you to like know what exactly they're expecting from this project. What are the success metrics? Is it that they want to increase sales by this? Is it that they want to do this? Any goal. It's just basically like what is the goal, like the outcome that they want from the success. Like let's say this is the outcome this project is going to have for me to say, oh, this project is successful. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.